In this video, I will show you how to send money from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. So if you want to do this, you're going to open your Coinbase app, and then from here, you need to make sure that you have some crypto or cash on your account. So I'm just going to click on cash right now, and then I will see my balance of cash. And you can just go in and click on deposit cash in here, or you can just buy some cash assets with your crypto. And as you can see, I have USDC. So I had a euro balance before, and with that euro balance, I bought USDC. And you can do that by clicking on it, clicking on buy, for example, and then just pay for USDC with either your wallet or with other crypto that you have. So if you do that, you have a convertible money asset, and that is USDC in this case. So we can send this USDC balance to Phantom Wallet, and this way we can send our money to Phantom Wallet. So I'm just going to show you exactly how this works. So right now we're going to click on transfer at the bottom right, and from here we're going to click on send crypto. And right now we need to enter our wallet address in here. And in order to get this wallet address, we are going over to our Phantom Wallet. So from your Phantom Wallet, you're going to click on receive. And once you do that, you need to select a network that you want to receive your USDC on. So in this tutorial, I'm just going with Polygon. So I'm going to click on copy to clipboard. And in order to finalize everything well, you need to make sure that you are matching the networks. So we're selecting Polygon in here. And of course, you can select any other. And now we need to go to Coinbase and then select this network there as well. So I will show you how you can do this. So let's open our Coinbase right now. So now we're going to paste in the wallet address in here. And after you've done that, you can just go ahead and click on the wallet address in here. So let's click on this. Now select the asset that we want to send, and we want to send USDC. So let's go ahead and click on this. And this step is really important because here we're selecting the network. And as I already said, I selected network Polygon on Phantom Wallet. So I'm going to select Polygon again on Coinbase Wallet. Because if I do not do this, my crypto might get lost in the transfer. So I'm just going to click on Polygon in my case, but if you're sending with a different network, go ahead and select that network. Click on yes, it's supported, and now enter the amount that you want to send. I'm just going with €1, so I'm going to click on €1, I'm going to type it in. Because I'm in the EU, I need to fill in this as well, so I'm going to click on self-custody wallet. I'm going to check the box that I'm sending to myself, but if you're sending to someone else, then you need to fill in the recipient's full name and country of residence, and then click on continue. And now you will see the transfer in here, and if everything is alright, go ahead and click on send now, and you will also see the send time in here, and again the network that you have selected. So I'm just going to click on send now. And as you can see, the transfer has been sent. So now I'm going to click on done, and then I'm going to my Phantom Wallet to see if it's already there. So I can see that my USD coin balance has been topped up. And when I click on this and when I scroll down, I will see the information of this asset. And as you can see, it has been received. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.